What are you guys doing? Scully, you better come get in the picture. Good girl. Let's go snowing. Strider's moving pretty good. Yep, oh, he's gonna go do his business, so we'll go over here. Hey, Scully girl, you're in the dark. Come here. That's my girl. And what about my little rat? What about my little rat? Oh, there he goes. There's Strider. He's doing really good moving. He still falls if he like turns a corner. But he's doing good. Yeah. Does a little bunny hop. But so much better. And that left front leg still, I mean, he moves okay sometimes, but he still doesn't put full use weight on it. There's the little rat. The little weasel boy. You gonna do your calaveras? You gonna do your calaveras? You gonna pee on them, huh? And there's Silas. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I almost tried him, man. Silas, is it you freezing it off, buddy? Huh? Huh? How's my little man? Let's see, get Scully. There's my girl. Hey, Scully girl. Ah, she's got business to take care of. Don't eat yellow snow, buddy. That's a boy. You better go get Strider. You better go get Strider. Oh, look at that girl. 10-and-a-half-year-old puppy. 10-and-a-half-year-old puppy. There's my girl, my Scully girl with all the curls. Oh, I thought Strider fell, but he's alright. Slow down, buddy. Doing good, Strider man. So proud of you. He's come a long way. He's still not like he was, but them old back legs, they just don't do right sometimes. Oh, lots of good smells. Yeah. Oh, there been critters out? Huh? Hey, there been critters? Come here, let me get a close-up of you and your old face, Strider. 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 Come here. Get too close. Hey, buddy. Hey, did you having fun? Oh, goodness. Yeah. Oh, Scully. Let me see the beautiful face of yours. Yeah.